Yo, what up? Peace and blessing to the fam. This is your big homie Jared back again with another video. As always, thank you and shout out to all you new and returning viewers, man. This is the Nike factory haul, and what we have here inside both of these boxes are two Nike Lunar Roam. So let's get into it. So first one, size 12, you see it, steam black Dutch green. Probably the more adventurous colorways of the two, but man, snap, crackle, pop, man. So this right here, wild colorway, as you can see, but this is a silhouette that I've really had my eye on for quite some time. When it came out, I think in 2023, maybe 2024, but anyways, first colorway sold out pretty well, and since then Nike has released a ton of different colorways of this model, and it is kind of a throwback. The Lunar Roam technology on the midfoot kind of goes back to like 2008, I think, when they released that. Lightweight, comfortable, maybe not as comfortable as some of their newer technologies, but on foot these feel amazing. Now this colorway here, man, it's kind of crazy, man. It's green, blue, a little bit of olive right here and here, but at the price that I got it for, I just had to have them. So box price said $109. They had them listed for $69, but an additional 40% off of that. So I paid $42 for these out of the door. Can't beat it. So if you are into this shoe, might want to check your factory outlet, because they had plenty of these at my store. So that's number one, hot fire in my opinion. Number two, before we do that, let's color code. We got Summit white, black. This must be it can't be the right box. Cause there ain't too much in there, but anyway, here we go. This is another fire colorway, maybe my favorite of the two. Screams fall to me. Has like a cream upper, the tongue is white nylon, and the interior, I forgot to mention that, it's super soft in here, guys. It kind of reminds you of one of them fair toys when you pop out the balloons, they let you pick the toy, and the little bears. That's what it feels like on the inside of here. Very plush, comfortable, some cushioning here around that back Achilles part, and this colorway is just fire. I already know what type of fit I'm gonna wear with this. Put some olive cargos on top during the fall and let this one ride out, man. So this one was a little bit more. Box price is $109 as well, but they had it listed for $79. So 40% off of that was $48. So you do the math, that's $90 for two pair of nice, high quality wearable shoes. I know a lot of people are sleeping on these. I don't know why, but at that price, you can't really beat it. I know Nike released a ton of colorways on these. So these definitely will be getting a lot of rotation, a lot of burn here in the fall, but I just want to show these to you. Once again, we popping out all type of videos regarding the sneakers, of the good deals and such. So as far as sizing on these, true to size, this kind of a old school Nike type shoe, kind of narrow, but still not super narrow, compared to like what did I just get? The Spiridons. Oh my gosh, those were so narrow, I had to let those go. But these right here were comfortable, and then this material is kind of like for lack of a better term, it's probably plastic. Yeah, it's probably made the same way as plastic, but it's breathable, it's lightweight, and yeah, so true to size on these, probably gonna work for most people, and I like them. A lot of people say they're not as soft as other shoes, but I'm just like, man, how soft do you really need a shoe to be? Like, I don't need that to be feeling like I'm walking on tissue paper, man. This stuff is substantial enough, but also soft enough to you can get all day wear with this, no problem. Really no break-in time needed with a shoe like this. So check them out. If you are interested, go ahead and check your local Nike outlet, and you should be able to get some of these, possibly, maybe not these colorways, but I know my store also had another colorway as well. So hot stuff. Leave a comment below if you have any experience with this shoe, and until next time, as always, stay humble and proceed.